So far we've looked at adding shapes, we've looked at editing and modifying them, as well as adding text. Next up we're going to look at some advanced shape tasks, and we're going to start off with the selection pane. The selection pane allows you to show or hide shapes. So if you're working with different shapes in perhaps a diagram, they're all overlapping and getting in the way of each other. It might be an idea to hide away some of those shapes before you continue your modifications on one of them. We can use the pane to organize groups of shapes as well. So if you've got lots of groups, we can see the group and all of the shapes within, and it allows you to easily manage those elements of the group. Within the pane you've got the eye tool, which is the tool that hides and reveals shapes for when you're working with them. We're also going to take a look at more properties of shapes. So as well as using the toolbar at the top to make some basic formatting changes, we can look at the options button to see more options. Depending on the version of Word you're using, it might bring up a floating dialog box with a window of tools, or it might open up a pane on the right hand side, and this will give you lots of different tools that you might not have used or seen previously. For example, in the pane you might see gradient fill settings. You can create your own gradient fill, and line fill settings and line color settings as well. These can be located on the pane as well, whereas they're not always as obvious in the format toolbar at the top. So let's take a look at the next video, and we'll take it from there and see what other tools there are when you're working with shapes.